Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enable Power Pivot. First, open your Excel application. Then, navigate to the File tab located in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to select Options. This will open a new window where you can customize various Excel settings. Next, look for Add-ins in the left-hand navigation pane and click on it. This is where we'll find the Power Pivot tool. Once you're in the Add-ins section, you'll see a Manage drop-down menu at the bottom of the window. Click on this drop-down and select COM Add-ins, then click the Go button right next to it. A new dialog box will pop up, listing various COM add-ins. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Make sure to check the box next to it, and then click OK to confirm your selection. After clicking OK, you should now see a new Power Pivot tab appear on your Excel ribbon, usually located near the other main tabs like Data or Review. This tab indicates that Power Pivot has been successfully enabled and is ready for use. If you don't see it, don't worry. Simply go back and repeat the previous steps, ensuring you've checked the correct box. The Power Pivot tab is your gateway to powerful data modeling. With Power Pivot enabled, you can now unlock advanced data analysis capabilities within Excel. Use it to create sophisticated data models, establish relationships between different data tables, and build powerful pivot tables and charts that go beyond standard Excel functions. It's a fantastic tool for handling large datasets and gaining deeper insights. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.